Page 49, Yankee Doodle. Very famous piece from United States way back in the 1800s. 1700s actually is when it started. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to tempo marks or tempo indications. In music, tempo means speed. Means how fast you're going. What's the tempo of a piece? How fast does it go? And you'll see these usually above the staff at the beginning. Now sometimes instead of telling you the tempo or how fast to go, it tells you the mood of the piece. And from the mood of the piece, happy, sad, whatever, you get an idea of how fast it should go. Because it's not a set speed. It's like dynamics. It's not a set anything. It's a feeling. What do you feel it? And they give you 4 of them up there. I don't like those lists. We'll cover them in the music. And the tempo I do after I do the pedal. The tempo kind of comes last. When I build a piece, when I'm working on it, and I'm different parts working on the piece, have I lost you yet? Tempo comes last. Let's look at Yankee Doodle. It's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. We got quarter notes, half notes. We can deal with that. I'm going to take both hands at the same time because it's really only one hand at a time playing. And again, we're in middle C position. You can figure it out by looking at the music, but we're here. So this quarter notes. And the only finger number you need for the left hand is the first one. You don't need any of these other finger numbers in the left hand because you're not moving around. Your hand is here. You need to know which key a finger is on, and you need to be able to remember that. As long as remembering everything else, you got to remember. So you go through and put the hands together and then get rid of the hesitations. When you're comfortable with that, you can think about the articulation, which the only thing they give you is the phrasing. The first line is a phrase. The second line is a phrase. So you lift up at the end. So at the end of the first line, like taking a breath. Otherwise, you connect them. So much for the articulation. For the dynamics, F forte is loud. Whatever you think loud is, don't get carried away. It's just loud. And it's all melody, so everything's loud. And then the speed. Allegretto. Where you have in the middle is the moderato range, moderate range. And up there you get fast, and there's a few fast, very fast, super duper fast, and fly away, something. Allegretto's in between them. Allegretto's, I call allegretto the fun speed. When I see a piece in allegretto, I think, here, we're gonna have some fun. It's not fast, and it's not in the middle, it's in between. Good luck figuring that out. And it's not the speed of the beat. It's the overall feel of the piece. Tempo deals with the feel of the piece, not the speed of the beat. And so Yankee Doodle, if I do this moderately, it would be 1, 2, somewhere in the middle. Not too fast, not too slow. If I did it fast, it would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, allegretto's in between there. 1, 2, 3. It's just sort of in between there somewhere. If I played it 10 times, I'd probably play it at 10 different speeds because I play by feel, and it's how do I feel it. It depends on how much coffee I've had or wine or whatever. I don't know. But it has to be accurate, so don't go faster than accurate. That's my interpretation. Your interpretation can be quite different. It's okay. Let's play it together slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4,